New traffic cameras can detect more than just speed. They can flag speeding, red lights, lane use, and road marking compliance automatically. But here's what motorists need to understand. This isn't entirely new. Cameras in South Africa have issued automatic fines for years. What's changed is how many offences one camera can flag and how little human judgment is involved. Now, ask yourself this. What if you change lanes to avoid a pothole? What if road markings are faded or missing? What if safety forced you to react? A camera doesn't see context. It doesn't see broken roads or unsafe conditions. It only sees data. That's why procedure and the right to challenge matter, not to be difficult, but to protect law-abiding motorists from being unfairly penalized by a system that can't think. Technology should support road safety, not punish common sense. Know your rights. Ask questions. And never assume a fine is lawful just because it came from a camera. Stay safe, stay streetwise, and remember to like and follow.